It's happy hour with KeneishaSays.
Say what you feel for say. Come here, say what me feel for say. Say what you feel for say. Say what you feel for say.
Hey guys, I'm here. Late as usual, but I'm here. How you doing? Come on. Waiting on people to start joining the live. To the topic on big. Hey, alright, Shereen, you're coming. Welcome, welcome. I'm just waiting for some people to come on. And still I try to see. You have your wine? Make sure you have your wine. Because tonight topic was sexy. Make sure you have a wine. Or something heavy and hard to drink. I see you. I'm waiting for some more people to join before I actually start saying anything, because tonight is gonna be assassin night. Sure. But join the live right here. We want to start this going on. We want to find out tonight on KeneishaSays happy hour, of course. So I have Malika, thank you. Happy hour, so I'm happy. And I want to find out, does size matter? I want to hear from the men and I want to hear from the females out there. Does size matter? What can you take? What is too much? What is not enough? What you think you can maybe work with, if you can make up with something else? You know? I want to find out all of that tonight. One more celebration tonight. Tonight is also to celebrate my 100 subscribers on my YouTube channel, and also over 100 followers on my Facebook page. Thanks so much. I really appreciate everything that you have been doing, all the support, all the sharing and the likes. Thank you so much. Alright? So tonight, I want to find out, does size matter? What you work with? You like a little ticklish something, and I can work with you later with 2 inch, 9 inches. What you work with? Medium. And I want you guys to join, and I want to have a conversation with you guys. So if you feel like you want, say, 2 cents, just click on, I'll bring you on, and we're gonna have a conversation without talk, right? But don't hide. Where you can't manage, where you work in that fast, you feel like you will never ever go back there again. They have a song, you know, instant it's the little with the short man. I wanna can't manage. The glass I get empty. One Keneisha, me no want to believe say Mr. Shuttlesworth over there have a 1 inch. Don't do your husband like that. Don't do your husband like that. 1 inch, I got to work for me. 1 inch for me or for you? Eh? Keneisha, talking things them come sure say Mr. Shuttlesworth now work with that. So you come talk about 1 inch. No, don't do that. Don't do that at all. Don't do that at all. If you never know your husband, know how your husband look. Well, no, I talk away like say me actually know. I don't mean no way there. But we know say obviously now pack 1 inch around there. I will not make it sound like me know about your husband things and something. Me scratch that. Nothing none of that around here. Alright, Keneisha, I bring you on. May I bring you on? You may a convo. Me know. Come on, come tell the people them. What you work with? What you can manage? And what you never go back to? Accept invite and come on. And make sure you have everyone near hand. Hey Patricia, welcome. Guys, share as you come on. Share, like, stand up there and like button there, love up the conversation. We are talking about what does size matter? What can you manage? What nah? What you afraid of? Keneisha, what you mean say afraid? Alright. The camera shy. That's okay. That's okay. That's okay. What you working with? Me personally, I want to say I've done on the large side and the small side. Never got not too small. No, I never got there 1 inch, 2 inch. Tickle me, Chinaman something there. No, but I prefer somebody who who knows what they're doing with the tool that they have, right? Because you have someone out there that have all of the, what you call it, and knock on the along, and they don't know how to use it. You understand? They do not know how to use it. So, if you have a me now go I 2 inches myself for 2 inch and 3 inch, me can't manage something. Because unfortunately, there you go. It's not the size of the bullet, but the motion in the ocean, yes. So I prefer somebody that has a reasonable size thing, right? Who can make use of it. Make sense? Can't manage it because something and we can't manage it with all of these things and they come like too big and then I don't know if we deal with it something. So come in a reasonable size for me and we work with it. We make use of that. Sometimes big old snake kind of damage the spine. I'm not saying the woman on the life when the spine damage still. I'm gonna reach all up the way up and so, right? Me know it's not like that. But me want somebody to talk to, so I need to share up the live and not afraid like Keneisha, afraid like camera. And tell me, does size matter? What you guys are work with? You understand? Me need to know. And the man them too. Make the man them come on because and all of it have the hook of it and the needle eye. Some of it have some ocean. So therefore no matter how big the man be, then just keep on a swim. Talk to me. Some of the women out there keep on a talk about big things from man or whatever. I don't get big things from man and the man still can't manage because they can't handle anything, but because they can't even edge it. There is nothing to edge on. You understand? So, I want to hear from the man them too, who dive in the ocean there and they realize that they think it is shallow, but I join them when them reach you. I want to hear from them man too. Yeah. So, when I share up the live, I'll make we have a conversation. It's Happy Hour with KeneishaSays, and this is gonna happen every other Friday. So after today Friday, not next week, but the week after, we shall be doing this again. I'm not gonna play no here. I'm gonna run from there. But you should talk to me where I deal with 10 inch. If you run from the 10 inch and go to a 2 inch. Welcome, Lissarina. Welcome. Tell me what you guys working with. So Patricia, you're running. You're not playing no ear. I mean, no. Hey, me tell you to drop off a bed and run and lick up a bed and bed and there's something there. And when my head stinking like bed. Yes, man, give up. Yeah. When I tell one I work with, so Patricia, you're not doing the 10 inch. You do it what? Or 5 inch or 6 inch? Where do? Where I work with? 6. Okay. 6 reasonable. 6 reasonable. Okay. Alright, Patricia, I see you. 6. Look here. I jump tonight now because see my back here. I miss the hour. Yeah. And if I'm not done a back here before 1 hour, I'm not nothing good. Because me I didn't have a smell of me drink. I talk things them. I really want to start talk tonight. So good at some way back history. Right? Keneisha said 1 inch, which is a lie. We know say that's definitely not what you're working with. I want you guys to like up and share up the live. Make sure it's on a relaxed tonight. Tonight is a relaxing happy hour type thing. Right? So we're relaxed. We're in our living room, in our bedroom, we have our wine, we're feeling nice. No, want to know, think about what to not have, working with right now. Does size matter? One I used to do it, never not think most on something I used to get back in the past and I said, shit, we used to manage that. Oh. As Patricia said, she now play no ears, so I'll be a run, she run. Look up your head and better than all these things. Right? So no, she's settling for a 6 because she's at her comfort level. If you fall in love, deep, drop in it, dive deep in it all. Right? And when that's time to, you know, get action going, when I realize that it's a big man here, I have no more than one little 2-inch something. What would you do? Would you still work with him because you're in love? Or would that be a deal breaker? Would you say, no. Pull up the pants, you got to go. I'll try love again. Or would you work with what he has? Maybe have some other thing we can substitute or add up to, other good talents. You know what I mean? Would you stay with that 2-inch? Or suppose that something pop out and you realize, oh shit, that is something that's gonna kill me ass. Would you run? Would you stay? Would you play the hero and take it? Would you play that hero, sit down, and say, you know what, we're there already. A 9-inch there, a 10-inch there, bring it on, I can't work with it. And then at the end of the day, you can't walk. You can't walk, I mash up the whole of your inside. With that 10-inch bed deal breaker, you realize that dead press your life, you continue doing that? Or is that something that you love and want to have? Definitely not go with a 2, 3, 4-inch. I'm sorry. I'm not working with those. I cannot. I'm not gonna pretend. Especially, me love my team. Right? And right now, make it up in an age and having 3 kids and all these things and all the time you get to do what you need to do. But when I do get it, I want to make sure that I'm not in anything to make me laugh. Does that make sense? When I know comedy, when I have my time to do my thing. Right? That's me personally. I'm telling you, say, when I make me look at it done, me why not done. I don't me talk up some things. And I said tonight also we're celebrating my 100 subscribers. I reached that milestone on YouTube. We also 100 on Facebook. So our next goal is to go to 200. I know we can do it. And again, I really appreciate you guys watching and subscribing and liking and following and sharing up the live and my videos, and I really appreciate it. It really means a lot. Hi Jenny, thank you for watching. Hi my auntie, oh my god, you make me feel like someone want to talk right now. We can't ask you a question there. And some more drink. I'm gonna drink Hawaii. I'm gonna forget some mother don't watch this too. My mother do this up there. Oh my goodness. I'm in my husband from Blast, because obviously me and him there. I'm married for all long. Which means I have things packing with this another 2-inch, or 3-inch, or 4, 5, 6-inch. You have the enough to keep me here for 19 years. So 19 years together, 9 years married, 3 kids. So I am with what I want. Where I'm not feel. Yeah, just right. You know that little, you know that story about, there you go, the three girls. That's how you know. When going to go in the house and he tried the porridge. One is too hot, one is too cold, and then he find that one that was just right. Yeah, that's what I'm working with. That one that is just right. Not too big, not too small, but just right to fit in the kilo. Why not be telling all of my business? Oh, you don't know antimatry. Who tell you? Why you don't know? Eh? What you know? I said, I don't make me drink coffee from my wine. I know me talk some things where and Facebook don't keep me off. Or when I come up at the live, you need to find one new home and go. Because oh no, me chat too much things. It's happy hour with KeneishaSays. Just size matter. What are you willing to take? Shireen, you're willing to talk to me right now? You wanna come on? I'm talking to people and get some live. Some spirits. Of the conversation. Tell me if you want to come join. You want to join and come talk to me? She said no. Why not? Shireen, shame under you. Manager Shireen? Tell me what I work with. What are you working with, Shireen? 10 inch, 6 inch, 2 inch? Does size matter for you? So if size matter. Since you don't want talk things them and come on camera, comment. Send on the comment. Tell me. Does size matter for you? Come on, everybody with a giant. What I have. What do you have? Yes. What do you have? You're not putting your finger. You know that. And I forget to work with. Size does matter. Yes. Worse if who have it, know how it. Right? Well, if they know if if they have them things and they know if they handle it, yeah. But sometimes I have someone with some small things where know if it edgy and crutchy and side and something and it still works. So does it really matter? Okay, so I'm getting another one as long as I know how to use it. Okay. So it doesn't matter then. So that's what I'm getting. So it doesn't matter as long as them know how to manage them too. Right? Okay. So, alright, I get it. So, you don't work with on 2 inch? Or 1 inch type something? How far would you go? Depending on how the outfit they know for work. Oh, yeah, because you have some little something that will look like what if they can't edgy right. Would you still work with that? So let me know. Cause so okay, alright. So that's why they have toys. Okay, so question for you. Would you be in a relationship, right? Knowing that or seeing, as they asked before, you reach to this thing. Oh my gosh, she said extenders are available. Are you serious right now? So your man don't allow you to strap on something. Your man don't allow you to strap on something on them to work. And are you like, would you be that person to say, oh, I love you already, so let's try this thing. Since you don't really have buffer, no packing, you're not packing right now. You go ahead and work with something. You don't work with them for they actually go get all these extra things to make it happen. You don't still stay. This is interesting. Would you guys still stay after realizing because not size no matter once they can handle it, right? Once they can work with it or know if you handle it, right? So you book a man about 2 inch, you fall in love with all these things, and you realize that I'm so only willing to work with all these things. Would you stay and allow him to start getting extenders and all these things to support what they don't have? Okay, all right. So, okay, yes, because it's not only sex, he can make up for it in other departments. Okay, so now I have this famous saying: say, if you can raise up to it, you face up to it. So, that's how it goes. You face up to it. Because, when I work on about, you can't do the face up thing. You can't do I'm old fashioned. I still like do the face up thing. You have to come deep. I want something where I can feel. I don't want something where from the outside all the time. I want something. I can't do that. I can't do that something there. I just thanks for the support. Thanks for the support. Good night. Oh my goodness. So yeah, people. So when I got up to the Facebook situation, I appreciate the son willing to work with some of these men. So what about the men's side of it? No men that up online where can tell me how I feel having the men's side of it going into, you know. I know, we all know that I'm crazy. But any men on here who is willing to talk about it? What about you? We are talking about all night with a 2 inch and a 1 inch and all these things, and I get extenders and face up things and all these things. If I can't manage that standing situation. You can't stand up tweets up, but you face up tweets and work up one having one department into the next. Right? So, what do you guys say? What about us women? But has it ever happened where you guys fought for somebody, reached it, girl look good, sort out in all the other departments and all these things, and when I reach to do the action and all this work, pop off, sexy, all these things, girls step out in a good up body and everything. And when you stand firm and say, alright, a time, you realize that no hook up in the under there. It's an ocean. Wanna do the drawback, wanna still dive in, wearing the goggles and all these things, and just going headway. Wanna go in headway, and then just say no. I thought one night at least I can say me knock it and move on, or not figure out some way to stay with that person and just make it work. And I get some tightening gel or something to make it work. What I do? I feel like the width are dangerous parts. Let me say it again. Sometimes I have the length but it's skinny. Right? And you know, have whatever. Maybe I still run also. But then you see when I have a good length and the thickness to it, Girl, that's some moderation right there. So I'm feel like saying something that's sin. And one man doesn't have length and width. Because unless they're not going to some ocean and but enough to do hook a bit something. Enough to do the man that will have length plus width. Jesus, me I got down memory lane. Enough to do something there. But I don't know why from the day at the back of the line or something. So when the length of the way you there back of the line and gotta say, you know, just take it and go on. And you join the next line for the width. And all of a sudden you're back of the line again and everybody get there evenly. And gotta say again, yeah last one, just take your remainder. So you end up with width and length. You come mash up with people and girl picnic. That's not fair. Share this up, man. Either you have the length or you have the width, but you cannot have both. It's not fair. It's not fair. Now the width. And them a pray, them a rub all kind of sitting and them a lick them from where a coconut, what kind of tree they lick it from? Bamboo tree or whatever if you make it grow. Right? I beat up if you make it grow and all these things and nothing happen. And you know out there with everything. God bless you with all these things and I mash up that with me. Right? I can talk because I've had a little bit of experience. And so that's if I've noticed it's not fair. Because I can't take those things. I'm not sure I understand. No, sir, I'm not talking to you right now. I don't know why sir answer. I'm not talking to you. But yeah, the length and the width combination and a good thing. Then you have the length, work with it, or you have the width where kind of complement the size, like maybe a 7-inch, like 7 inches with a width, a good width. That's workable, right? Or 8-inch with a width, that's workable. But when you're gonna have 10 freaking inches, 9 inches with width, but that's a go. Come on, man. Actually, not kill girl with me. Again, some people take those things because not everybody are okay, right? You have some people that's what have no pitney, and people that are diving and are jumping and all these things. While we have people who have multiple kids and God bless them back with that safety that they have from ever since. But sometimes that bit something there can also be a blessing and a curse. Because sometimes like you're really in the mood and you want to be going and you just can't go in because you're too small and my man too big. And that just mash up your meds. Instead of not like the buckle so done. But they talk to me. Does size matter? I don't want to know too much about me right now and don't make him buckle up because I'm telling you, you know, you must start drink all these alcohols. How much that is? How much percent? I'm a head light, you know. My head light, all there's something and not good tonight. How much percentage? 11.5. 11.5% of alcohol in this, and it's almost done. And for me, who likes headed, you know what that means. You're a subplot after what it says, man. But my husband might actually get the benefit of his liquor or this wine tonight. I'm just saying. So, guys, not just a one-way street. Can not all the way blessed down here, right? We're all them. Me blessed. Me know about me. I talk to myself. I are blessed, and I can toot my own horn, because I've been told Let me some alcohol. Right now, I'm like Goldilocks, where I kind of settle with that person that is just right. It's just that perfect fit to the keyhole. Keyhole. Oh my god. To the keyhole. So that perfect fit, so I have no complaints. Right? So let me know, have you found your perfect key to that keyhole? Or have you found your perfect keyhole to that key? Or you had to go back out there and cut a different key to fit that keyhole? Why do I keep saying keyhole? What is wrong with me? KG Brown, welcome. Me already tell you, I like that perfect fit. Right? I've had my years already where, you know, it's had to run. I still run. But yeah, I still run. But I always do run. I get me not deal with look at ticklish something. So I'm going to run. I'm a runner. Hey, I'm Jamaican. We run. That's what we do. Yeah, we're folks, brothers and sisters, right? No, not a brother folks. Sisters. So we run. We run. I run all the time. Back in the days, still, I just run. Sandra, welcome. When I'm coming to our almost o'clock now, man. It's in 7 o'clock Jamaica time. I'm to your backside. You see, that's why I love the Auntie Sandra, yeah? Come on, Auntie Sandra. You wind them again. No, then when they late, but your backside, sure. Sandra.
Wait.
What is the you know, let me have to contact with. Thank you very much.
What?
Then people are afraid to tell me about what they prefer.
Wait, what's the topic?
Does size matter?
Does what?
Does size matter?
Size.
Yes, that size.
It all depends on which size you're talking about.
What size are you talking about?
I can be very rude on this program, you know, Keneisha. I know you talk to me.
Just keep the F word off of it. No explicit. Read in between the lines. We can read in between the lines.
The size. You know, the size. Some size and can't manage it, and you know they really good size, but no can't handle it.
So, it's all I'm here so far on finding people there tonight. So me here say size matter. Then more make sure so they get them good size or whatever. Not. Then some of them say it don't matter. It just depends on if they can handle it.
Right.
And use what they have.
Right.
They have someone say if they can say alright fine. If they don't say they can't work with whatever size they have, then they will deal with it. But what if that person actually has like a 2-inch to work with? Are you willing to really work with that?
No, 2-inch. No, man.
So then somebody
2
say,
inch. I like my thumb. I like my thumb. No.
Scratchy edge or some tickling something.
Yeah.
You know? What then?
Yes, we can't work with that.
So somebody, if they face up to it. That's the one.
Yeah.
All by itself, because
Not true.
we know for old fashioned or Jamaican but and I know that it's something that a lot of people doing, but I don't do the face up. You understand?
No.
Me love when I come stiff and hard. I just mean that.
Yes, of course. I say if you go.
But I feel things. And as me I said, me a runner. So me like run.
Yeah. Yeah. Sometimes when you enjoy, you still have to cry cree.
Man, that's where I went from. I don't took my blows.
I tell us you must trouble me, no, Kenisha.
We want to people when them want to know for the life that time right now, lock me from to come on, man. Everybody afraid of camera.
Don't trouble me. Sometime when you reach home and you have to cry cree.
Hold on 1 minute. I mean, yo, hold on. And that might tell you sometime, you know. I will cool off, look at me, just hold on. So then, we just make those come and make a few wash out, you know.
And then maybe I'll take it.
So,
what? At least maybe get a blouse.
It can't fit you.
It can't fit me stretch, yeah.
So Sandra, where do we know? Large, in between, small. You freeze up. I say, if I float down there, I'm messing up, man. Sandra, gone and stuff. So I love that. Sandra, if you want to get me know, because everybody is afraid. Aw, thank you very much. I appreciate that. But I would really love if you guys participate, because that's what happy hour is about. I'm doing this segment because I want to be able to come on Friday night time and just let loose. You know, no little complication. Everybody just relax, have a wine, drink some water, drink some tea. If you don't want to grab a beer, relax and just talk and have fun. So tonight's topic really, does size matter? That's a topic I know everybody would love. Maxine, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for joining. I'm telling you, when I'm drinking, I talk. And I don't do the good talk. I do nasty talk. And I'm trying not to get banned from social media. Because again, I have to put this on YouTube, on my YouTube channel. And just in case you don't realize, this is KeneishaSays, Happy Hour with KeneishaSays. It will be happening every other Friday. So this Friday and then next week, as a matter of fact, week after next week Friday, I'll be doing a little bit of giveaway, right? I'm planning on doing, I don't know, Boss Revolution. I'm able to top up your phone, or anybody's able to top up your phone, and you can call internationally by just using that money or that credit on your phone, right? So what I'm planning on doing is not next week, but the Friday after that, and I will be sending out all these promotions on my page as well, so just look out for it. What I'll be doing is, I'll be doing somewhat like a type of game. It's going to be more of an interactive type situation where I want us to do like some games. Maybe I have you guys run around the house and find more buckle of ketchup, find me, you know, something, and then make you like one. And I'm planning on giving away $500 US credit. And how this works is that you will have, so I can give you like a $5 worth of credit, and that $5 will work up to $600 and something credit in a Jamaican, right? I can give you a $10 credit that work up to like $1,000, some maybe $1,500 and something credits right here in a Jamaican. And if you're in America, then if I give you like a $20, and that's a $20 on your phone, where you're able to just call anywhere internationally. You don't need to do anything else. You just use that credit and just call internationally. So you don't need to use your international plan, or you don't need to get no additional credit or send up your phone bill or whatever not. So I'll be giving away $100 US dollars worth of Boss Revolution credits, right? But in order for this to happen, you guys have to participate, because I'll be asking questions as well. We're going to be playing games and you're around the house to look for stuff. right? You have to join, you have to want to join the live, you have to want to be on camera. So if you need to get pretty, put on a little makeup or whatever, not get no wine, because again, it's going to be a happy hour type situation, right? And then come on and join. And also have to make sure that you guys watch all of my YouTube videos, because I'll be asking you guys questions on that. And based on your responses and your answers that you're giving, then that's how you're gonna win. If they ask if you're gonna look for a home sweet home lampshade, like for Jamaican, or home sweet home lampshade, you can't find it, you get $120 right this. I'll also start from a $5. So for example, I ask if you're gonna look for what? One bottle of bleach, for example, just for example, a bottle of bleach, and you can find it, and you're willing to play some more because you want to get another $10 on that, right? And I ask you to look for something else or ask another question, so you'll be going up like that. So I will be sending out the promo throughout the week, and for you to look out for it and stuff like that, so you can explain how this is gonna work. But again, guys, if you want me to do that, put a comment. Put a comment right now if you want me to do something like that. If it's something that you think I should be doing. I just want this segment to go well, where we can talk, we can laugh, we can have fun, invite your friends to join, your family members. It's just like a happy hour type situation with your girl Keneisha, right? We chill, we relax, we drink some wine, or we have fun or relax. Send them to bed early, make your husband them lock up or something. And the good thing is that they will also benefit. We don't go back to the topic a little bit. They'll also benefit because when you drink all of the amount of wine on usual, you have to let it out on somewhere. Either you don't sleep or you do something. You know what I mean? So let me know if that is something that you guys want to do or you think that I should do. Like up the video and share it. And I'll see you guys. I'll put this on Facebook. Well, post it so you guys can continue watching it and you guys leave your comments. So again, your choice is, would it be a game over if your spouse conceive another child on the outside, step out of the relationship and cheat, have another pitney, or we do a game where I'm giving away $100 dollars of credit on Boss Revolution. That's international credit. You can call it everywhere international, obviously. By doing some games that will basically take you to ensure that you watch all my videos, because I'll be asking questions about my videos, and I'll be asking about stuff around the house for you to go find stuff. Just little games that I'll be playing, stuff like that. So that's the choice. Let me know what you guys think. And thank you so much for participating, everybody who is on here watching right now. I really appreciate it. Again, thank you guys for all the subscribers so far. I basically have 100 subscribers on YouTube right now, and over 100 subscribers on my Facebook KeneishaSays page. I really, really, really appreciate you guys and all the support that you guys have been giving, that you continue to give. And our next milestone is trying to hit 200. I know we can do it, and I know we will, right? So let's get that happening. Until later, guys. Bye.
Come here, say when me feel for say.